Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. From 21st of September 2020, the partial mode of physical classroom teaching has begun. Better is to attend school regularly on your turn so that you can benefit yourselves from this virtual mode and also from the physical classroom teaching. But dear students, you have to follow all precautionary measures to save your lives first. The pandemic has put really life in danger at risk. Yesterday, more than 1,200 people were tested as COVID positive. So this pandemic, born from Wuhan city of China, considered to be born from Wuhan city of China, is putting really life in danger. It has killed about 10 lakh people worldwide. In India, it is rate of infection is increasing and mortality rate is also increasing. Economic activities are partially going on and partially they are shut. The GDP of India is also showing consider- considerable decrease. This means that this pandemic is affecting life in every aspect. Dear students, today we are dealing with class your text lesson. It is class 10th text, not text lesson. It is poem, An Evening Wet with Rain, an important poem in your textbook. Dear student, this poem is written by Ted Ved Paul, an eminent Dogri writer and poet, and later on it was translated into English by Shivnath. The poet here talks with the evening wet with rain. It is the atmosphere of complete silence and loneliness. The poet sketches numerous images from the nature to broaden the effect of calmness and loneliness. Dear students, the poet seems depressed because of the despair that has darkened the evening of his life. He remembers memories of his childhood when he used to sit in courtyard listening to music of semble, listening to the music, and now he regrets. These days are gone and will never return back in his life. This is the central idea of the poem. It is total central idea of the poem, and many a time a central idea of the poem is asked in the board examination. That is why I am putting the central idea of the poem on the display. I will repeat the things. Dear students, An Evening Wet with Rain is written by Ted Ved Paul, an eminent English poet, Dogri poet, and finally, in the end, it was translated by Shivnath into English. The poem talks here about the evening wet with rain, an atmosphere of complete loneliness and calmness. Dear students, the poet sketches numerous images from the nature which broadens, which broaden the effect of loneliness and calmness and solitude. The poet seems depressed because of the despair that has darkened the evening of his life. He remembers the days of his childhood when he used to sit in his courtyard listening the music. These days are gone now, and these days will never come back. Dear students, what is the crux of the poem is that here the Ved Paul wants to convey or it's that life starts with childhood, and in the childhood there are no responsibilities at all. In childhood, one is free, whatever he likes to do or whatever she likes to do. But with the passage of time, when man grows old, the responsibilities get added, and one has to shoulder these responsibilities. In the and evening here is perhaps considered to the end of life, and when evening goes in the lap of nature or lap of night, it is the climax of the life. So here the evening wet with rain is no doubt shows the calmness, silence, solitude, because these things never remain in the life. With the passage of time, the the enjoyment that one's have in the childhood uh, slowly fades away with the time. And time comes when one has to shoulder responsibilities, and with these responsibilities he carries on, and finally he reached the climax of the life and the ultimate of the life. Poet walks down in the lane in evening wet with the rain, in calmness and coolness and solitude. He imagines that one should come, or a companion should come, a friend should come who will hold my hand. But this is only his imagination. These things are in his mind. Actually, this can't happen. And finally, when lights gets on in the evening time in the homes, he finds his destination. Where is my destination now? In the end, he looks towards a muddy house where an earthen lamp is illuminating. He considers there is my destination. In the end, he considers I should remain in this wet in this wet evening, or should move with an air, or should go with the air. So this poem is basically recalls the memories of childhood, and finally when man grows mature and then old, the burden of responsibilities that end of the life, all things are mentioned in this poem. What if this all about the center idea of the poem. Thanks, you have got it.